Okay, guys, finally, I've gotten rid of those guys, but okay. Boing, 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 boing. Wait, what? I'm gonna rob you. Hey, black. Wait, what? Black. Are you okay? Black. Bomb. There you are. Okay. Hey, for you to rob you. Wait, what? Why did we just tell? Anyway, I want this. Ooh, good. I got the gun. Hey, no, don't shoot, please. I'll let you live with me and stuff. Really? That's what we were here for. I need somewhere to live. So does that guy. Come on, wake up. Wake up. Fine. I went to go sleep. Okay. Anyway, don't make me... Wait, what? You're letting me... Don't make me blow up. I said you can live with me. Fine. Wait, are you sure you have rooms? I mean, this is only one room. There's only 2 beds. No, I'll figure it out. We already have a whole bunch of people living with us. You might as well. Okay. I like playing Grand Theft Auto. Do you have that? We have 3 games of it on Mario's tablet. Okay, that's good. And I like playing Akinator. Do you have that? Sure, I can download it. It's maybe like $2, 30 cents, or like free or something. Okay, I can deal with that, but okay. And well, yeah. Do you like watching YouTube videos or stuff? Because you're in one right now. Really? Yeah, I'm famous. I'm really famous. Yeah. Ooh, where's Block? Oh no, we're famous. Oh god, no. The police will arrest me for trying to break and steal this place. God, no. No. Wait. I'm famous. That's actually weird, but yay. Look at my eye. Do I look serious? I am. I'm famous. Yay. GTA rules. Okay, guys, remember to like and subscribe. And a big shout out thanks to my 2 friends, my first subscribers. Cameron Ketch and you'll see his channel, Angela Ketch, and Kaylin Clarkson White. His channel is Monkey Kong TV. Thank you all, and thank you for watching.